how is everyone doing tonight? We are going to get the break started in about 4 minutes here at 10:05. Give some people time to get in. Hope everyone is having a good night though. If anyone is already in here from the break, let me know what team you guys got tonight, or teams if you have multiple. Just in case. I'm gonna try this one. Because it's not considered a thing, right? So. We're gonna give it about 3 more minutes here. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, you don't have to.
Okay. That's what I was actually not. Gonna wait about 2 more minutes here. Sweet child. We're gonna give it about 1 more minute, then we're gonna get the break going. If anybody is here from eBay, let me know what team you guys got tonight. Or if you're someone who has a lot of teams, just 2 or 3. Okay. Anyone who bought into the break will get a free pull from our pull box at the end of the break, so make sure you stay to the end. These are all jersey, auto, and numbered cards. And there's some packs thrown in the mix as well.
But you must be in the live.
Yeah, you have to be in the live to be able to get it, though. So if you're watching this afterwards on YouTube, sorry, but you can't get your pull. Alright, it's 10:05. We are going to get into the first box. I gotta find a little place where I can. It's my second time ripping these. There is a little personal rip that I did posted on our TikTok right now. We just sold one of the cards we pulled on our eBay store tonight. But they're pretty good so far, from what I've seen. Little messed up because I opened it the wrong way, but yeah. Just fix these here. All right, good luck to everyone in the break, and we're going to get right into it. Alexander Texere, Jesper Fast, Brendan Gallagher, Sonny Milano, Superstar Honor Roll Tristan Jarry, going to the Penguins, Henry Jakar, I don't know, Sean Desuri, Oliver Kylington. Anyone who's new to the breaks, I suck at pronouncing some names, so I'm going to botch a lot. I'm warning you guys now. Brady Ski, Stuart Skinner, Anthony Stutzla, UD Portraits, Cale Makar, going to the Colorado Avalanche, William Carrier, Barrett Hayden, Warren Fogle, and a Andrei Svechnikov to end the pack off. Erik Karlsson, Lucas Raymond, Vasily what did that say? I don't know. Philip Krusev, our first Young Guns, Carson Meyer, going to the Columbus Blue Jackets. John Carlson, Mitch Marner, just put his streak to 18 games tonight, tying franchise record. And Philip Danault. Tanner Jennett, Victor Arvidsson, Samuel Girard, Carl Vizlemak, Freestyle Patrick Kane. So these inserts, if I'm not mistaken, this year replace the UD jerseys. Jesper Bratt, William Nylander, and a Jamie Drysdale to end that pack off. Yeah, so the freestyles are the new insert this year in the box. And from what I've seen, and if I'm remembering it correctly, they replaced the jersey cards. So, Milan Lucic, Kevin Hayes, Lawson Crozier, center of attention Ryan O'Reilly, Craig Smith, Wayne Simmons, Mark Stone, and a Brandon Saad to end off that pack. Ilya Shesterkin, Joel Farbery, Granite Hathaway, Jake Muzzin, our second Young Guns, Samuel Fagemo, going to the LA Kings, Tim Stutzla, Boone Jenner, and a Jamie Ozlenek. Turn the pack off. Holy jeez. I'm a little tired tonight. Ryan Donito, Roman Josi, Casey Middlestat, Trevor Moore, Ivan Boboshev. Yeah, I know, I botched it. I'm not thinking. Connor Hellebuck, Chris Drager, Igor Shesterkin. That's what I was thinking. I was watching the Ranger game earlier. I was watching the end of it. And I have Shesterkin in my thing. I'm a little off. Victor Olsson, Nicola Ehlers, Anthony Beliveau, rookie retrospective, Carl, this is the guy's last name I'm not even going to try, Carter Hart, Troy Terry, Adam Pleach, and Sean Couturier to end the pack off. Drew Doughty, Jack Eichel, Clayton Keller. First UD canvas, Alex Newhook going to the Avalanche. Charlie Coyle. Our first checklist, Jason Robertson and Igor Shesterkin. It's got to be randomized. Mm-hmm. So that, by the way, the checklist, if it's two different teams, we'll randomize them, and then whatever team gets on the randomizer, it'll go to that person who bought that team. JT Miller and a Frederick Gaudreau to end that pack off. All right, last pack in the first box. This is the 94-95 rookie die cut, which Upper Deck brought back again this year. Thomas Bordeleau, Kent Johnson, and a Noah Cates to end off the first box. All right, we're going to get on to the second box here. Let's see if this cut through. Nope. Oh, it's just not going to work either. Oh, okay, hold on. I gotta get this open. There we go. Alrighty. Okay, 3. One more. 4. There. There. All right, good luck to everybody on the second box. Anthony Cirelli, Artem Zub, Tyler Myers, rookie retrospective, Cole Caulfield going to the Montreal Canadiens, Andrew Mangiapane, Devin Severson, Pui Sutter, and a Eric Johnson to end off the first pack. Cam Fowler, Jordan Binnington, Neil Poink, Jared McCain, Freestyles, Braden Point going to the Tampa Bay Lightning, Mason Marchment, Oscar Lindblom, and a Kyler Yamamoto to end that pack off. Milan Lucic, Kevin Hayes, Lawson Cruz, Ilya Shortkin. No, that's not Shesterkin. Superstar honor roll, Anze Kopitar, Jamie Charlie Coyle, and another checklist, Shesterkin and Robertson. So that's the second one of that we've gotten.
And that's going to go to the Rangers.
Okay.
Dallas wasn't bought. So.
Okay. So both the checklists are going to the Rangers.
Yeah.
Joel Armia, David Pastrnak, Dylan Strome, UD Canvas, Dylan Larkin, Pavel Buchnevich, Braden Tanev, Jonas Budrin, and a Jonathan Dahlin to end that pack off. I was going to say anyway, maybe we should send one to one place, one to the other. But I'm saying we don't have to worry about that now, though.
No.
Jacob Trouba, Linus Olmark, Thatcher Demko, Shea Theodore, Cole Caulfield, Barclay Goodrow, UC Saros, and a Zach Werenski to end that pack off. It's our first base pack of that box. Hopefully not another. I think the other one only had one, so that's not bad at all. Alex DeBrincat, Nico Dawes, Morgan Riley, UD Portraits, Igor Shesterkin going to the Rangers, Connor Murphy, Mike Hoffman, Owen Tippett, and a Rasmus Anderson to end that one off. I think we got 3 regular Upper Deck packs left, and then the 94 and 95. Joel Farbery, Granite Hathaway, Jake Muzzin, Defense Machine Jacob Sylvan. Never seen that insert before. Going to the Hurricanes, JT Miller, Frederick Goudreau, and a Kasperi Kapanen and a Tyler Toffoli to end that one off. 2 packs left here. I'm hoping both of these are Young Guns, because I don't think we've hit a Young Gun yet in this box. Drew Doughty, Jack Eichel, Clayton Keller, Connor McDavid, Young Gun Matt Boldy going to the Minnesota Wild.
Nice.
Awesome hit. Here, I'm going to give that to you now.
Mm-hmm.
Elvis Merzlikins, Jake Allen, and a Brad Marchand. It's an awesome hit for the Minnesota Wild. Hopefully this one's a Young Gun too. Maybe an Owen Power? Ryan Hartman, Michael Matheson, Freddie Anderson, Jack Roslovic, Young Guns Jacob Morar? I don't know. Going to the LA Kings. Alex Kiron, Yanni Hakanpää, Anthony Mantha to end the back off. I don't know half these names. I gotta start following the entire NHL again. Alright, 94-95 Retro Rookie. Bang! Matt Boldy. Lucas Rochelle, and a Mark McLaurin to end off the break. I think the second box was probably better than the first, just because of that Boldy. And then even the Boldy in the 94-95. I'm not sure if those really go for anything. But, yeah. Alright, so, now...
Just give me a second.
Okay.
They're getting set it up.
Yeah, that's what I was going to say. Okay. So, anybody who bought into the break, put your eBay name in the chat and pick a number between 1 and 50, and you will get a free pull from the pull box. Just need your eBay name and then a number between 1 and 50. Don't think anybody's on.
Hmm?
Don't think anybody's on.
No, that bought in?
No, it says nobody's on.
Oh. Alright.
If anyone's here, I'll give it another minute or two. Anyone here from eBay? Let me know your eBay name in the chat and a number between 1 and 50, and you can get a free pull from the pull box. Alright, we're just going to call it a night. Hope everyone had a great night and enjoyed the break.
And we have another.
We'll have another break posted onto our eBay store for Monday night?
Tuesday night.
No,
Or Wednesday night, sorry.
Wednesday night.
Yeah.
Okay. We'll have another break posted on Wednesday night for 2 of these again. I'm just showing you the box that we just opened. But we have 2 more of these that we will be posting. So check out our eBay store at JRSport20. And yeah, thanks everyone. Have a great night.